video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced gang creator script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $30. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now open the install first folder. Here we need to download the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the shared folder, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script. In the notification section, I'll be keeping it on aux-lib. If you want to use your target system in the script, then you just have to change the false into true. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So here I'm going to change the path of the inventory. And these are the in-game commands for the script. Here you need to add your FiveM license. From here you can adjust the maximum battle pass level. And from here you can adjust the XP levels. I'll be keeping them default for now. And these are some config missions over here. So that's it for the installation. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's open the gang creator panel. For that we just have to type /gang admin. So this is the gang creator panel over here. By clicking over here we can create a new gang. So first we need to give the gang's name. So I'll be giving it a name of Vagos. And the tag is going to be the same. Over here you have to put the image URL for the logo. Now here we need to give the color for our gang. So I'll be selecting a yellow color. After that, click on create. So we have created a gang over here. Let's click on manage. Here we need to assign the leader of the gang. Just click over here. It will show all the list of nearby players. So I'll be selecting myself. Here we need to select the maps blip. So this is a website from where you can select the blip. The link will be in the description below. You can find the blip's ID over here. From here you can pick up the color's ID. Now let's save it for now. Now here we need to select the location for the boss menu. So I'll be giving the boss menu over here for now. You just have to click over here and it will automatically pick up the location. Now we need to select the location for the armory. Now we need to select the location for our garage. So here I'm adding the location for the missions. From here we can add the vehicles in the gang's garage. So here you need to give the vehicle's name. Over here you need to add the spawn code. After that, select the color for the vehicle. Then click on plus. So just like this, you can add more vehicles as much as you like. From here you can add items in your armory. Here you need to give the name and here you need to add the spawn code. Here you have to add the price for the item. So I'll be adding $10. Just like this. After everything is done, click on save settings. So let's get some item from the armory. So I'll be getting 1 pistol and 10 ammos. As you can see, let's open the gang admin menu. So here is the third option for battle pass. From here we can create a battle pass. The season's name, I'll be giving it a name of season 1. Here we need to give the ending date. Now here we need to add the season's price. So I'll be just adding the $1000. Now here we need to add the perks for the season. This is a section for premium perks and these are the section for free perks. So let's add some items. Click on save reward. So for now I'll be just adding these items. Now in the status section, you just need to toggle this to active the battle pass. Now let's check out the boss menu. So this is the panel of the boss menu over here. In the member section, you will get the list of all nearby players. You just have to click over here and hire them into your gang. Over here you can deposit your gang fund. So let's deposit some money. Just like this. And this is a battle pass section for the gangs. You can claim the free item from here without any XP. Now let's purchase the battle pass. Now we can claim the free item from here. And rest of the items will be unlocked according to your level. In the rank section, you can create rank for your gang. So I'll be creating a role for co-leader. As you can see, you can set permissions according to the role. Now the last option is for logs. You will get all the logs over here. Let's open the gang's admin panel. You can see the second option, which is of zone. From here you can create a zone. So I'll be giving it a name of Vagos area. Here you need to set up the radius as per meters, the capture time and the cooldown time. So I'll be giving them default for now. Let's click on create zone. So let's place this zone over here by pressing E. So as you can see, the zone has been created now. Now different gang members will get involved to capture the zone. Okay, we captured the zone over here. As you can see, the zone is owned by Vagos. Let's open the missions. So this is the first mission, which is drug run. Okay, we have to pick up the stash and deliver to the multiple points. Let's grab the vehicle from our garage. Let's get the Dominator. And let's go to the given location. From here we have to get the package. Let's deliver it to the location. Just like this. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.